Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to zoom in and out. How to zoom in and out. Zooming in and out is a very tricky art form to perfect, particularly if you don't have a camera. But once done right, the results can be magnificent. There are two main ways that I know how to zoom in and out, and I've taken time out of my very hectic lifestyle to show you how to do them. So without further ado, because I'm busy, shouldn't even be doing this right now. Got things to do, so much things. Where was I? Let me think. Oh, without further ado, let me show you how to do the zooming and the outing. Zooming outing. Zoom out. Yeah. Need to get my words right next time. Move back and forth on the screen. If you want to appear closer or further away from the screen, then all you need to do is to lift your own body weight up and drag it back and forth on the screen until you are satisfied. Let me show you an example. If I stand up, I can't really be bothered because my weight is heavy and I'm also quite lazy, but just for this tutorial I will stand up for you, just like this. Okay, so now that you're standing up, just simply move away from the screen to zoom out. Do you see I'm zoomed out now? To zoom back in, you'll just need to simply heave your body weight back to where you originally started. Effort. Let me try to do that for you, might as well. Things I do for you guys. Why am I so heavy? Weigh so much. There we go. I've successfully zoomed in. Now some of you may have a grasp of this technique and want to develop it further, but how do you zoom out further? How do you zoom in further? Well, I'll show you how that is done. What you'll need to do is to heave yourself back all the way over the bed. Now, that is quite a difficult technique, yes, I admit, but once you practice, you'll be able to do it in no time at all. So let me just show you how to set that up. What you're going to want to do is to get up like this, and you'll see this bed here. You need to clamber over it, just like this. Have a quick lie down because it can be tiring, and then kind of work your way towards the end of the bed to the other side, and then gently let yourself go over the other side of the bed, just like this. And you can see that I am now zoomed out as far as I can possibly go. Well, I could actually go a little further. Let me just go a little further. There we go. Now I'm at my peak zoom. Now some of you don't have a lot of time or patience on your hands, so how do you zoom in quickly? Let me just show you how to zoom in really quickly. Just like that. That's how you zoom in really quick. This is a great way to zoom in and out if you're on a budget or you just want to exercise. But what are you to do if you want to zoom something else that isn't yourself in or out? What are you to do then? Well, if you just wanted to zoom this wardrobe out, for example, all you're going to need to do is to lift it up and carry it away. I'll just show you how that is done. So I'll just lift this wardrobe up and move it away from the camera, and it will appear to have zoomed out. Just show you that quickly. I've decided to keep the wardrobe positioned where it is. I like it there. I don't want it to zoom anywhere, so that's fine. Just leave that. But that is definitely the best way to zoom in and out on an object. Just lift it and move it away or closer to you if you want. There is one other technique that I have discovered, and that doesn't require you to lift anything at all. You may not have heard of the technique at all, but it is allow the camera itself to zoom in and out. If you find yourself recording a video in front of a camera, the camera has the ability to zoom in and out to focus on different surroundings. I've no idea how it does that, possibly something to do with witchcraft, but I'll show you an example of what it does. Simply clap your hands like this, and the camera zooms in. As you can see, I am perfectly zoomed in, and the camera has a great focus on me. To zoom out again, you just need to clap your hands once. Look, it is zooming out again. What a special camera this is. Apparently, the camera has the ability to both zoom in and out at varying levels, but you'll first need to read the instructions in order to be able to do that. And if you're anything like me, then you'll know that reading anything voluntarily is a lot of work, and who needs that in their life? And that completes the tutorial on how to zoom in and out. If you're still not getting the hang of it, then I would suggest going to your local bookshop and reading up on this subject so that you have a better understanding of what you need to do in order to be able to zoom in and out, and eventually you'll be able to do it yourself. I'm going to go now and practice some more zooming in and out, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. Okay, so clap clap. Oh, it's so effective, this zooming in and out. It's insane. It's insanely good. Let's try zooming out again. Oh, that's a bit delayed. Why is it still stuck? Maybe I didn't do it properly. Okay, I need to practice more obviously because it's not working to my liking. I don't know what's going on now. I thought I had the hang of it. Wait, let me just... Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. What was I thinking? Zoomed in way too much. I think I just broke the zoom. I'm finally starting to get the hang of it. Wait a minute. What if I clap 3 times? I've not done that before.